Hello, little Mrs. Spooky. Got your chocolate bar, okay? Miss Spooky, are you there? You know, I just laid this here. Love you, Miss Spooky.
Oh, oh, that's a nice little nap I had. Getting ready to go get me a snack. Are you kidding me? Is that a chocolate bar? Is that dog okay? Doggy? Doggy, you good? You good, doggy? This is why I should have kicked Billy out of the house.
Oh, hey Toad, how you doing?
Were you possibly the one who fed the dog chocolate?
Let me put my drink over it. Okay. You know, the chocolate bar, they say it's good for doggy, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you know, I heard I fed dog chocolate bar because it's good for him, yes?
No.
Yes.
No, chocolate bars kill dogs.
Wait.
I didn't deal with the chocolate bar. I kind of left it there.
No, but that's good, you know, doggy like chocolate.
No. If he eats the chocolate bar, he's gonna die.
Excuse me, Susan over there, she like chocolate dog. Wait, what?
What?
It's chocolate dog.
It's a chocolate dog?
No, it's a chocolate bar.
Oh, wait. So you did feed the chocolate bar dog to whoever his name is?
Yes.
Where'd you even get the dog?
Oh, the next neighbor, you know, Jojo, the one that's always, smoking the things and everything. Yeah, he gave me dog.
The dog seemed paralyzed. Perhaps.
He abused the dog.
Yeah, you abused my mental stability.
Yeah, I tried doing that, you know, Minister told I tried getting in you, and I tried breaking you down and making you okay, Mr. Toto. I fed dog chocolate dog.
Whoa, wait, what? You break me down.
We don't
Whoa,
hey,
whoa.
we don't talk about this, you understand me?
I'm about to kick you out of the house.
No.
You see that front door up there?
No, okay. If you're worried about dog, go check on it, okay?
Fine, I'll go check on the dog.
Okay, go check on it. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
I think he's paralyzed anyways. He should be fine. Do you mind?
I don't mind at all.
I'm leaving. Billy, we're gonna need you. Billy.
What is the problem?
Okay, so, the dog.
Yes.
It ate the chocolate bar.
It's not doggy, okay, you know. Wake up.
Can you check?
Wake up.
Whoa. Check its heart rate, maybe.
It's it. It's okay.
Oh my gosh! Here, I'll check the heart rate. I'll check the heart rate.
It's okay. You know, situation that
No, I'm checking the heart rate. Here. Your booze. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta check its.
Oh, that's good stuff right there.
It doesn't have a heart rate. Are you really still carrying that stuff? Oh my gosh.
It's the booze.
Oh.
The booze.
It's Coke.
Doggy, do you like the booze? Yes, doggy like the booze.
Your doggy isn't okay.
I haven't slept for 24 hours.
If the police come over, I'm not taking blame for the dog. Good job.
It died.
No, it didn't die.
And I got food all over its butt.
Wait. I have a question. What are you doing? No, I really have a question. That doesn't look like chocolate. What did you feed the dog?
Oh, you know, there's a bit of the syrup, a bit of the chocolate, a bit of the granola bars, and then I fed it a fortune cookie that was filled with chocolate.
I don't see any chocolate.
Oh, there's definitely some chocolate there. I mean, yeah, there's chocolate. See, I'm a cow. I got good sniffing skills.
I don't.
Oh, good sniffing.
Do you know what chocolate is?
Yeah, it's brown.
Oh my gosh, follow me.
It's brown, black, and white.
Okay, come on now. I'm gonna show you what chocolate looks like, and you're gonna tell me if you got this out or not. Okay? Open up the fridge. Now let's see what's inside the fridge. We got some toaster strudels. Ooh, that looks nice. That's some nice toaster strudels. And I don't know what that is. It's a bag of chicken nuggets or something. And what's this? Huh? That's a Hot Pocket, I think. Oh, well, that was a Hot Pocket. Sneak, is that chocolate?
Yeah, I feed this to dog. 180 calories. Well, that dog has some chocolate. They're wolf. It's gonna be fat.
Well, let's see what's in the box of the Snickers. Here, let's take it. I don't want the electric bill going above what already it is. You know, we got the lights on all the time. You see the lights? Oh, them lights are bright. Oh my eye! Stupid clock had to go off. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what these doggy treats really are. Oh, I'm facing my...
These are my Snickers. They're stuck inside the box. See, this is Chinese Snicker.
What's on the package?
What?
Oh, they used it as marketing. Oh, because on the front of the box it has a chocolate bar on it. Oh, wait. Then what's wrong with the dog?
I don't know.
Maybe we should take it to the doctor.
Yeah, that may be a good idea. Come on, dude, let's go.
Okay. Hey Billy, I think this is the right place. The doctor's office with the big flower on it.
Oh, okay. Oh no. You good?
Okay, yeah, he's good. Okay, I guess we'll have a seat and wait for the doctor to arrive. Quite literally, Dr. Strange, how you guys doing today?
Where are you wearing underwear?
It's not underwear. It's a new style.
That's not new style. I don't see there's something wrong with you, okay?
Why are you Cap?
I can be naked. I don't need this style, okay?
Well, obviously you shouldn't be roasting on my style if your style's bad.
I don't have a style. You understand me? I will send Mother Russia on your ass. Do you understand?
Oh, okay. Let's get to the doctor's.
Okay,
Yes.
I need my dog it be acting crazy, you know, it's not moving, I think it might be...
Doggy, you okay? Are you good?
Can we do some exams on it, or would it be, how much would that cost? Cause,
I know, maybe a prostate exam?
Oh, I thought... Are you like a sick doctor? What's the same thing with you?
Here, I have an idea. How about I go get the rubber gloves and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I couldn't find any rubber gloves.
Don't you already have gloves on?
Yes, I don't like getting these gloves dirty. They're part of my style. See?
Well, okay, your style is stupid anyways. Fix my dog, do the prostate exam. I don't even care.
Okay, here you go. Yeah. Oh, this is getting intense. Okay, I got my glove a little wet, but it's okay. Maybe I should. I'll be back.
TaB, are you not? Doggy.
What?
Is your
Wait,
butthole okay? Hey,
What?
excuse me.
What if I just? What if I just seen?
It's okay, Todd. Doggy's okay. Let's go. Come on, doggy. Let's go home. We have good tea.
Hey, I had.
Man that just stuck your finger up my doggy's bum.
It was more than a bum. My finger is pretty wet, but
What did you do to my doggy?
I fixed him. Seemed he had a bone lodged up there. It was pretty intense. Hey.
I didn't see a bone coming.
It's cause I dealt with it.
What do you want anyways? Let's go.
I'm gonna let you know that I work in health, the health department, a therapist, a trained therapist. I have a license. I didn't make the license yesterday and break into a house and yeah, so you can meet me at a certain address.
Okay, what is that, address?
It's a couple blocks away from the doctor's office.
Okay, I'll see you there then and have a good day, okay?
Okay. Oh yeah, it costs money.
How much money?
It cost
See, so I.
You know what? Just come over. You know
I
what? You
only-
can come over sometime.
I only got 7 cents to my name. Okay, doggy, let's go.
Okay. One hand, one man, and a big spoon. Oh man, I got an itch up my butthole. Oh. And always remember, kids, buttholes before truckloads. I am always watching.